We have division of decimal numbers. We know that our divisor must be whole number. So we need to move, in this example, decimal point 1 digits to the right to get whole number. Whatever I did with our divisor, I have to do the same with our dividend. So let me rewrite now our long division. We have 3, 2, 5. In our divisor, we don't need decimal point. And we have 6, 4, 0, decimal point, 4, 3. What else? Because we need to round our solution to the nearest thousandth. What it means? We need 4 digits after decimal point. Why 4? Because thousandth is 10 digits after decimal point, and we need 1 extra digits to do the rounding. So I can always add zeros at the end after decimal point because it doesn't change the value of our number. And now we can go to our division. How many times 325 goes to 640? 1 times. So we have 1 times 325. Subtraction. 0 minus 5 we cannot do, so we borrow 1 from 4, so it will be 3, and at the end we will have 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1, 6 minus 3 is 3. What next? We have to take decimal point to the top, always in the same column, and we take next digits down. So we have 3,154 divided by 325. How many times we can put 325 to 3,154? 9 times. So we have to write 9, and now we have to do multiplication. 9 times 325 is 2925. Subtraction. 4 minus 5 we cannot do, so we will borrow 1 from 5, so it will be 4, and at the end we will have 14 minus 5 is 9, 4 minus 2 is 2, 1 minus 9 we cannot do, so we borrow 1 from 3, so it will be 2, and we have 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, you don't have to write. What next? We have to take down next digit. So we have 2,293 divided by 325, so it will be 7. 7 times 325 is 275. Again, subtraction. 3 minus 5 we cannot do, so we have to borrow 1 from 9, so it will be 8, and at the end we have 13 minus 5, so this is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, so we don't have to write. What next? We have to take down next digit. So we have 180 divided by 325 is 0. And now 0 times 325 is 0, subtraction, so we have 180. We have to take next digits down. So we have 1,800 divided by 325, it will be 5. 5 times 325 is 1,625. Next we have to do subtraction again. So we have 0 minus 5, we cannot do, so we have to go to next digits, because it's also 0, so we have to treat these two digits like whole number. We have 80 minus 1, so it will be 79. And at the end we will have 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we don't have to write the 0. And what else? Because we need to round to thousandth, so we can have we need to have 4 digits after decimal point. We have 4 digits after decimal point at that moment, so we can stop log division. So let me copy our solution 19705. We need to underline thousandth as the third digits after decimal point. 10th, 100th, thousandth. And what next? We have to check the digit which is after our underlined digits is 5. When we have number 5 or greater than 5, what we have to do? We have to add 1 to our underlined digits. What else? Whatever we have after our underlined digits, we have to change to 0. So 5 we change to 0. and we have to add 0 plus 1 is 1, and whatever we have before our underlying digits we just have to rewrite. So we got our solution 1.971.